When you log into your home page on Maytask Hub, you need to check what work is outstanding by viewing the tasks that have been assigned to you in the Progress tab. Any tasks that are allocated can be identified by clicking on the Tasks tab. Having clicked on the tasks in the Progress tab, you will be able to see what tasks you have to complete. A blue coloured task tab indicates it is a new task that you have not yet started. You will be able to see the target date when you hover over the task. Click on the Task tab to identify the task instructions, which will help you understand what actions you will need to complete to progress. You will also be able to see the target date when you click on the description of the task. Below that date, you can see the description of the task, and this will explain how to record your evidence. For example, it will ask you to upload a screenshot or file download. If you are having difficulty with this, please contact your Essential Skills tutor in the ESQ activity visits. You can put your feedback into the notes section, press add, and then explain your difficulty in this box. Remember to press save when you're done. Your Essential Skills tutor will be able to see that you have sent learner feedback. Let's take a closer look at the task description and follow it step by step to complete the task. You may be asked to complete different types of knowledge questions for each task, but the same process to access and submit the evidence will remain the same for each individual task. Plan your time to complete the task as soon as you can. The target date is set as a final reminder, and you may have additional tasks that appear on your home page. The later you leave completing the task, the more work you will be required to do in a shorter space of time. On your dashboard, expand the sidebar on the left-hand side of the page and select Community. Select the ESW Upskilling Community. On this page you will be able to access the resources, as well as on the right-hand side you will be able to access the tasks by clicking on one of the links. Select the task that you need to complete. So in this instance we're using AON Task 1. You need to then select the level that you are completing the essential skills in. This link will take you to the form that you need to complete. Once you have submitted work to a task, the task will turn orange, as you can see here. This means the assessor has not yet marked the work. If your evidence for the task is accepted by the Essential Skills tutor, the task will turn green. The task will turn red if it is overdue. If you need any additional upskilling work, your Essential Skills tutor will send you feedback. You can access this at the bottom of your home page. You can also see in the Task tab that an additional task has been set for me to complete.